Hey guys, Michael Dennett Pro. Just want to do a quick video. Want to show you some results I've been getting with this new program. I'm also going to add a testimonial that I want you guys to actually check out from other people who are using this system and making a lot of money. Of course, it's about PayPal Cash, PayPal Income. All you simply have to do is click the link below this video, place your email in on the next page, and get started. All right, check out this testimonial.
Hey my friends, Ashley Wilbur here with a quick video testimonial for Ben, the Professor of Wealth. And if you don't know who Ben is, you must be sleeping up on the rock. This guy's all over the internet kicking butt and taking names when it comes to making money online. And I'm truly grateful to be one of his students. Before I met Ben, I literally sucked at internet marketing. Like, sucked so bad. I wasn't getting any traffic, I wasn't getting any leads, and I definitely wasn't making any sales. As a matter of fact, I was spending more money than I was making, and I was getting ready to quit. I was actually getting ready to say, you know what, forget this. The internet lifestyle must not be for me. I'd rather work a job for the rest of my life because I'm tired of trying to figure this thing out. Until this one day, I was in this Facebook group, saw that he was #1 on the leaderboards, and I said, you know what, I want to be in his position one day. I was a little nervous, but I decided to reach out to him. I told him my situation, and he literally did not hold back on sharing his closely guarded secrets on how I could see results in my business. And within 1 week of implementing all of those strategies, I saw my very first commission sale. And here's the thing. I woke up one morning and there was my very first commission sitting in my account. And I've never experienced it before. And it was all because I chose to reach out to Ben, to get up under his wing and allow him to show me how to get more traffic, leads, and sales for my business. And I'm telling you, I'm not looking back. 2017 is going to be the year because he is holding nothing back. Everything he's told every last one of his students, and then some. He's put in there some things that he's never taught anybody before. And so 2017 is definitely going to be the year. If you are struggling with getting traffic, leads, and sales, get your hands on this product and start seeing results, because Ben is that dude. He's going to give you value. He's going to show you exactly what he's doing to see results. If it can work for me, it can definitely work for you. And make 2017 the year that you see results.